A new kind of power is shaping our world: artificial intelligence chips. These tiny pieces of silicon are the engines behind everything from smartphones to supercomputers. The United States and China are locked in a fierce race for dominance, knowing that leadership in AI means leadership in the world. This is about more than technology. It's about economic strength, military power, and global influence. At the center of this struggle is Elon Musk, whose companies rely on a massive supply of the most advanced AI chips. Musk's demand for these chips puts him at the heart of this global contest. The US has long led in chip design, with companies like NVIDIA powering the AI boom. But China is investing billions to build its own chip industry, aiming to break free from foreign dependence. The outcome of this race will define the global balance of power for decades. These chips are incredibly complex, representing the peak of human ingenuity. Control over their supply chain means control over the future of AI. The AI chip war is now the central arena in the broader US-China rivalry. Whoever controls the chips will shape the next era of innovation. The stakes could not be higher. This is not just a corporate battle, it's a fight for the future. The world is watching as these two giants compete for technological supremacy. The winner will set the rules for the digital age. The race is on. Elon Musk's empire runs on AI chips. Tesla's self-driving ambitions depend on supercomputers packed with advanced processors. Without these chips, autonomous vehicles would remain science fiction. Neuralink, Musk's brain-computer interface company, also relies on cutting-edge silicon to process complex brain signals in real time. Success in these ventures hinges on breakthroughs in both AI software and hardware. Musk's latest project, XAI, aims to rival the world's top AI labs. He's acquiring tens of thousands of NVIDIA's H100 chips to build one of the largest supercomputers ever. In today's AI race, computing power is everything. For Musk, AI chips are the fuel for his vision of the future. His massive demand shapes the global chip market. Where he builds data centers has geopolitical consequences. Musk isn't just a consumer, he's a key player in the chip war. His actions can accelerate or complicate national strategies. The world's AI future is being built, chip by chip. China sees AI chips as a matter of national security. For years, it relied on foreign technology, a vulnerability it's determined to fix. The government is pouring billions into building a self-sufficient chip industry. This is a whole-of-nation effort, with universities, research institutes, and tech giants like Huawei and Baidu designing their own AI chips. Huawei's Ascend and Baidu's Kunlun chips are part of a new ecosystem aimed at reducing dependence on the West. US export controls have blocked China's access to the most advanced chips, forcing it to innovate with older technology. These restrictions have only strengthened China's resolve. The chip war is now a powerful motivator for Chinese innovation. The question, can China overcome these obstacles and build a world-class semiconductor industry? The outcome will reshape the global tech landscape. The race is on, and the world is watching. China's push for self-sufficiency could change everything. The AI chip battle is a central front in the struggle for global leadership. The US sees its semiconductor lead as a vital national asset, and has imposed export bans to slow China's progress. This has created a technological iron curtain, forcing countries and companies to pick sides. Elon Musk is caught in the middle. His companies depend on both American chips and the Chinese market. He's argued for open markets but also warns about the dangers of an unchecked AI arms race. The chip war is about more than business, it's about who sets the rules for the future. AI will drive economic growth, transform healthcare, and power next-generation defense systems. The nation that leads in AI will have a decisive global advantage. The struggle over silicon is a proxy war for control of the 21st century. The stakes, economic power, military might, and the future of innovation. The outcome could shape the destiny of the world. The world's future is being decided in the race for AI chips. The contest is fierce, and the consequences are global. The AI chip war forces a global choice rivalry or cooperation. If the world splits into American and Chinese tech blocs, innovation will suffer, and global challenges will be harder to solve. China's rise could shift the world order, bringing new values and rules. Musk's dual role as business leader and AI safety advocate reflects the central dilemma. Can nations compete and still cooperate to ensure AI benefits humanity? The answer will shape our future. AI is a tool. It can unite us or divide us. The choices we make now about chips, research, and safety standards will decide which path we take. The AI revolution is here. The question is not if it will change the world, but whether it will bring us together or drive us further apart. The future is in our hands.